Hello students, today will we discuss about love and sacrifice are the very essence of story, The Gift of the Maggie. The Gift of the Maggie is written by O. Henry. O. Henry is well known for the surprising ending of his stories. The stories of O. Henry make an interesting reading. It is the ending which causes a lot of surprise. To sum up, The Gift of the Maggie is a very touching story of marital love. It is rightly regarded as the finest short story of America. Its suggestive title, its dignified theme, its novel message, and simple but beautiful language leave a lasting impression on the reader's mind. The Gift of the Maggie is a story of sacrifice. It deals with the life of poor couple for whom love is the name of sacrifice. The word Maggie means the wise man from the east. There is a Christian story. When Jesus Christ was born, there were three wise men in the east who saw a star in the sky. They knew that the Son of God was born. The star moved westward. The three Maggie picked up flowers and fragrance for the little child as a gift of offering to him. They are known as wise men as they want to offer their respects and homage to the Son of God and passed through jungles. It was a matter of risk and sacrifice for them. Jim and Della are poor, but they have great love for each other and ready to sacrifice their dearest possession for each other. On Christmas Day, they come to know that they had very little to purchase gift for the spouse. The wife has very little money and she cannot afford a good gift for her loving husband. She has got luxuriant growth of hair, which is greatly admired by the husband. She sells her hair. The husband, on the other hand, also has no money to buy gifts for his wife. He has a watch and that one needs a chain. So he goes to the market and sells his watch. Della sold her hair and purchased a precious chain for the watch of her husband. And Jim has already sold his watch. The husband sold his watch and purchased a pair of combs for the beautiful hair of his wife. And the wife has already sold her hair to buy a chain for the watch of her husband. What a wise choice of gifts! They lost something precious, something that they loved very much. It cannot be called a wise choice at all. It was very unwise act on their part. But it was done for the sake of love. The husband loved the wife and the wife loved the husband. The love between the two is much more precious than all the gifts that they could exchange. So it can be called a wise choice after all, since it strengthens the bond between the two. The love in between the two is not affected at all. On the other hand, the bond of love between the two gets a boost by the exchange of gifts which are indeed of no use to them. Despite the fact that the sacrifices were foolish, the writer makes it very clear that they were genuine. The sacrifices showed that they loved each other very much and could sacrifice anything for the sake of their love. They cared for the need of each other. The sacrifice brought them closure. The sacrifice of Jim and Della cannot be called foolish or unwise. They strengthen the bond of love between the two. To sum up, The Gift of the Maggie is a very touching story of marital love. It is rightly regarded as the finest short story of America. Its suggestive title, its dignified theme, its novel message, and simple but beautiful language leave a lasting impression on the reader's mind. William Sidney Porter was popularly known as O. Henry. He was an American short story writer. He had a poor life and a poor education. He was imprisoned for some time, and during this time, he took to writing short stories, which earned him a great name. He was one of the most celebrated short story writers of the 19th century America. O. Henry is a great as a writer of short stories. His stories have a human interest. They present the sufferings and sorrow of his own life. He mostly presents life of laborers, typists, office clerks, doctors, and authors, painters, convicts, shopgirls, and tramps. He is well acquainted with them and gives a touching and faithful picture of their life and manners. The Gift of the Maggie deals with the clerk and his wife. The Gift of the Maggie has a powerful plot. It is simple but revealing. The end comes like a shock to the reader. Jim, the central character, belongs to an old and rich family, but now he is reduced to much poverty. He does not earn much his life. His wife Tella is equally poor. They do not have any money to give presents to each other on the occasion of Christmas. The wife Tella counts her money and finds it too little for a gift for the loving husband. She goes to Mr. Saffron and sells her beautiful hair. The husband too loves her very much. He almost worships her and has a liking for her long silken hair, but she has to sell the hair to give a gift to the husband. She purchased a chain for the gold watch of the husband. The husband goes to the market. He too has no money with him. He sells his gold watch to purchase a real fine comb for the beautiful hair of the wife. In the evening, the husband comes back. They exchange gifts. We are shocked at the irony of life. They content themselves with their love. It is love between the two which is the real bond. They can sacrifice everything for their love. The title of the story is very remarkable. It refers to the gifts brought by the Magi or the three wise men of the East for the infant Jesus Christ. When Jesus Christ was born, the wise men saw incense from the forest as a gift for the infant. They made their offerings. The gifts they brought were from the forest, like flowers and fruits. They were not costly items. They were an offering, an indication of their love and devotion. The gifts in the story are rich and precious. They cause great sacrifice on the part of the person who give them, but they exhibit the same love and devotion which the gifts of the Magi in the Christian legend suggested. The element of love and sacrifice make the story clear. Jim and Della love each other very much. There is true love between the husband and the wife. They must give some gift to each other on the happy occasion of Christmas. The exchange of gifts among the Christians is a popular feature of life. In the story, it becomes a painful affair. The devotion of the husband and the wife to each other makes it very poignant. They have a love between the two which is beyond any material gain or loss. The wife has beautiful long hair and Jim simply adores her hair. She sells it, it will grow by. Jim has a gold watch but no good chain for it. He is ashamed to seeing time before his friends. She purchased a chain for the watch. He sells his watch to purchase a beautiful pair of combs, which she had adored out, never wished to own. Knowing they were too poor to have it, the husband purchased the same item. The gifts are precious, but more precious is the love between the two. The story presents life's little ironies and make a wonderful reading. The Gift of the Magi is written by O. Henry. O. Henry is the pen name of William Sidney Poitier, who was an American writer. His career was not bright, but his stories have a freshness and sting of their own. There is deep human interest because they are the projections of the sufferings and the horrors of his own life. O. Henry has depicted laborers, typists, clerks, doctors, and stockbrokers. There are authors, painters, convicts, and shopgirls in his stories, and he has presented them brilliantly. The Gift of the Maggie is an interesting but very painful story of O. Henry. It tells us of two persons, a poor couple who fondly love each other and sacrifice their best for their love. The title of the story takes us back to the day when Jesus Christ was born at Bethlehem. There were three wise men in the east when Christ was born. They saw a star in the sky and they followed it. The star took them to a place where the Son of God was born. The three magi in the way picked up some incense, flowers, etc. to offer at the feet of the child Christ. This becomes the gift of the magi. Now there is a practice among the Christians to make gifts to their near and dear ones on the occasion of Christmas. Everyone does it and the gift is rare. It may be very rich, poor, or just an ordinary item. It is the love that goes with it which is important. The story has an incident and this becomes a very painful incident. Christmas comes, the poor husband and wife also must give gifts to each other. The wife Della is poor and she has just $1.87. What can she get for this little amount? The husband has nothing but a good watch which is useless for him as it has no good chain. The wife has a good growth of hair. She thinks and thinks. She decides. She goes to a dealer and sells her hair, which the husband Jim loved very much. Della purchases a chain for the watch of her husband. Now he will be proud of his watch.